Ndị be anyị ka ụbọchị nketa mara na anyị mma. Ya bụ Igbo media bụ ebe anyị si enwetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi gbasata maka ihe na-eme na Igbo community and na Nigeria anyị nọ n'ime ya. Dịka o si dị, ekwere unu nkwa na a ga na-ewetara unu ozi bụ ihe gbasata maka ife na-eme n'Igbo na n'Igbo and okwu ọbụla okwu gbasata maka Igbo na Igbo media. Ọ bụ na nke a bụ nke izi na-esoro anyị, gbaa mbọ subscribe and turn on your notification. Can help you miss any of updates I drop na Igbo media. Dịka o si dị, ị ga-esi ebe ife were ite elu n'elu akwụkwọ chọọ m ịkpọ ya bụ ife afa, mana mma like ka unu gee ya bụ ife, ọ dị nnukwu mkpa. Ị ga-esi ya bụ ife gee ya ọfụma. Ife a bụ nnukwu ihe gbasara maka ihe na-eme n'obodo a. You drop your own comment if iche n'elu akwụkwọ gbasara maka ya bụ ife ị nụrụ. All right, over to you.
We will always tell you the truth, because one of the symbols of Biafra is truth. You must speak the truth always. You must stand before your enemy without fear. That is who we are. No matter what you do, even though it will lead to our death, we fear no death. We fear you not. You can't stop us from speaking the truth, because without truth we are nothing. Do you know what? That truth is Biafra, and Biafra is a spirit, and it is that spirit you can never overcome. Many of you will keep fighting against the truth. At the end, the truth will prevail. No matter how hard you fight against the truth will always prevail. No matter how you twist the truth will always prevail. No matter how serious you are twisting the truth will always prevail. That is what you need to know. Yes, that is exactly what you need to know. And this night again, I have come to tell you that thing you hate so much. Of course, it is the children of darkness that hate the truth. That thing you hate so much is what I'm here to tell you, and that is the truth. Nothing but the truth. If you like it, you take it. If you don't like it, you leave it. It does not change the fact that the truth must always be told. Biafra is a spirit. The earlier you recognize this, the better for all of us. You can never conquer Biafra. Biafra is the spirit. The more you try to cover the light, the more the light shine. You don't know that? The more you try hard to cover the light, the more the light will keep shining. And Biafra is that light that you can never cover. You can't quench the light. You can't quench the light. It does not really matter the name you twist or calling us, but the fact remains that we are neither terrorists or miscreants. We are only one person. we are who we are. We are Biafrans, and that is who we are. We are Biafrans, and Biafra is a spirit. You can't change that. No matter how hard you try, you can't stop us. Biafra must be restored. And let me tell you, the spirit of Biafra have waken up already. As some of you claim that he have dead and buried, and I have waken up never to die, never to be buried. And anybody that sell Biafra or have any plan of selling Biafra will die. Not two ways about it. The spirit of Biafra will keep killing you that doesn't want Biafra to come. You see, you and you, all of you that say Biafra cannot come, you will never leave. Biafra, the spirit of Biafra will kill you. Yes. The spirit of Biafra is at work. And that is my joy. The spirit of Biafra will destroy you, all of you. The spirit of Biafra will destroy all of you that say Biafra cannot come or Biafra cannot be restored. All of you that are fighting against Biafra, you will never survive. You and your generation upon generation, you can't survive it. You think it's a child's play. You think it's a child's play. Your mind is telling you that it's a child's play. Your mind is telling you that it's a play. Biafra is a play. Biafra is a child's play. How is your life? And on that, sit back and ask yourself, you that betray your brother, you that collect 1 naira to sell Biafra, you that conspire with the enemies of people and say that Biafra cannot come, you that place bounty on innocent Biafra, you that have been killing innocent Biafra, now ask yourself, how is your life? How are you? Do you sleep in your comfort zone and feel relaxed? Some of you have been shouting ghost. Some of you will sleep and jump up, say ghost, ghost. The spirit of Biafra will keep tormenting you until you finally give up the ghost. You don't know the mess you get yourself into. The same way Nigeria government does not know the mess they get themselves into. It's the same way you, saboteur, does not know the mess you get yourself into. You will have no peace until Biafra is restored. Nnamdi Kanu was there. You placed bounty on him. You placed bounty on every freedom fighters. Does it change the fact? Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped by you. Does it stop the quest for Biafra? You don't have sense. Ojukwu was there. You thought that when you stop Ojukwu, you stop Biafra. 1967, many of us were not born then. Ojukwu is dead and buried. Biafra is still fresh in our memory. You have killed and silenced so many warlords of Biafra, hoping that Biafra will end. Has it end? 1967 till now, how many years? I'm just a small boy. I am just a small boy. But what I will tell you is that I've been existing for many years. But you did all those things that you may stop Biafra. Are you able to stop it? Nnamdi, pick up. Owazirike, pick up. You bribe Owazirike and your mind tell you that it is over. Was it over? Nnamdi, pick up. You kidnap Nnamdi and you think that it is over. Has it over? You kill Ikonso and you think that it is over. Has it over? No, I am, you know, I don't know which kind brain you have. You keep raising building and the building keep falling. You raise the building will fall. You raise the building in that same foundation. The same foundation you raise the building will collapse. You still come again and still raise another fresh building in the same foundation, they keep collapsing. Your brain will not tell you, hey man, there's something wrong. You keep doing the same thing. You keep doing the same thing and keep having the same results. The same results. You keep doing the same thing and you keep having the same result, and your mind did not tell you that waiting pass you. There is nothing you can do about it. You kill a consul, does it end the Biafra agitation? You kidnap Nnamdi Kanu, does it end Biafra agitation? Let me tell you, they never born you. They never born you. Both human being and spirit, they never born you to think that you can stop Biafra. They never born that person. The more you think you can stop Biafra, the more you will go insane. You will go insane. All of you will go insane. You will not even know. You will not even get yourself again. You will be talking like madman, mad person everywhere. Because the spirit of Biafra will be burning in your head. And Nigeria is a gunner. You are so useless and so stupid. So useless and so stupid. You place somebody wanted. You know where in day? Simon Ekpa is in Finland. He is not hiding. You can only declare somebody that is hidden wanted. Have you go to Finland? You did not see him. Waiting pass you. But that is not the topic of tonight. I'm here to give you this message from heaven. Heaven give me message to give you. This message is from water, because heaven, you have been looking up toward the sky, is inside water. Some of you religion will doubt me. I am not here to argue with you because you are so blind and so dumb. Chukwokika give me message to give to you, and I will not stop to give you this message. That is why I'm here. Have this message and have it very clearly. Biafra is a spirit, and he who rise against the spirit must be destroyed by the spirit. Chukwokika is a spirit, and he who must worship Chukwokika must worship him by the spirit and by the truth. You see, the truth is, you must be truthful, and you must stand before your enemy without fear. That is the spirit. Biafra is a spirit. Whosoever that rise against this Biafra must be killed by the spirit of Biafra, and you will not have peace. That is a message for you tonight. That is the message I bring to you this night. That is the message I have for you this night. The more you fight, the more you will die. But at the end, Biafra must be restored. You can't stop it. It is too late. Do you know that if a woman carry belle enter 9 months, it is too late to abort? This is the level Biafra reach. You have entered 9 months. If you say you must abort the baby of 9 months, you must die alongside with that baby. Those of you say, let me come, let me abort Biafra. Biafra is already 9 months. Let me, for your information, it's already 9 months. And you must die. Biafra is a spirit. And those that say they want to kill the spirit will die in the place of the spirit. I'm not here to preach so long sermon. But he that have the ear to hear what the Spirit say, let him hear. The Holy Spirit of Biafra are moving around in the land of Biafra, destroying the evil one, because the land of Biafra is holy. And no evil will be found in it. Do you understand? That heaven you have been praying and fasting to go, it is the land of Biafra. And so therefore, those who have gathered in one place to another, thinking and planning how to stop and end Biafra, have it in mind that you are planning and thinking on how to stop your life and end your life, because that is what you will see. And at the end, you will believe that Biafra is a spirit. You can't stop Biafra. Go and ask, go on. Ask Obasanjo. Ask, go to late Buhari grave and ask. Ask them question. The time you think that you have conquered, you will not even know that you are just started. Biafra spirit can never die. Even the child that we put to bed today, without you mentioning the name Biafra to that child, without anybody educating that child about Biafra, that child is already know who he is or who she is. For instance, they never taught us Biafra Nigeria civil war in school. No history. But I can teach, I can give you details about Biafra and what conspired the war, the genocide you kill the innocent people from A to Z. I will give you the fact. You don't know us? Everything we need to know about ourselves have been written there in our heart. We don't need somebody to tell us who we are. We born knowing exactly who we are. We know who we are. We know who we are. And I tell you, to you, you might call us miscreant. To you, we are terrorists. To you, we are jobless people. To you, we are criminal. To you, we are anything you tax us. But we know who we are. Do you know who we are? We are freedom fighters. And we are Biafrans. That is who we are. You can't stop us. You can't change us. You can't change us. You can never stop us. Yes. The more you try, the more you will fall. Believe you me, I will always here to tell you that this land of our ancestors, we have taken a very strong oath to restore it for the betterment of our children and our children unborn. And you can't do anything about it. Biafra must be restored. In our time, We will never fight to remain for our children to come and finish it. We will finish this fight, and the victory will belong to us, and our children will benefit this holy land of Biafra. And I will tell you that you are a visitor. When you are done, you will leave this land for us, because in this land of Biafra, I bet you we go nowhere. You can never move us an inch, because this is where we belong to. This is the land of our ancestors, the land of the ancients, the land that we must hand over to our children in peace, in a very better way than the way our forefather hand over to us. So mark it somewhere and take it to yourself, that you can't stop us. This is where we belong. We are the owners of the land. We own this piece of land. This is where we belong to. This is our right. And nobody, no Britain, no Fulani, no Yoruba, no machinery, no saboteur can pursue us out of our land. It can never happen. It will never happen. Not today, not tomorrow, and not ever. Yes, not ever. This piece of land, the land of the ancients, the land of the rising sun, the land of our ancestors, the land of Biafra, the children of Biafra must remain here forever and ever, and there is nothing you can do about it. I am here to tell you this, that we are still fighting, and you can't stop us until Biafra restore. And at the end, you will join the crowd. If the spirit even spare you to hear Biafra, you will join the crowd to hear Biafra. Because I know that very soon, this pregnancy, we will soon put to bed. And you know exactly what we are going to born. We born nothing more than Biafra. And when we put to bed, you will shout, "Oh hey Biafra! Oh 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 hey Biafra!" And you will tear your clothes and waka naked. And that is where your madness will begin with that cure. You saboteur. Because the coming of Biafra will shock your marrow. The coming of Biafra will make you run mad. The coming of Biafra, will make you run mad. Yes, that is how many of you will run mad. As the Biafra will be restored, many of you will run mad. Mark my word. And as you are running mad, everywhere you are going, you will be shouting, "Oh hey Biafra! Oh hey Biafra! Oh hey Biafra! Oh hey Biafra!" Who say Biafra no go come? You will join me mad. It is a prophecy. It will soon happen. That is a fact. And that is the truth. And what I'm telling you tonight, write it down somewhere. The spirit of Biafra will never rest. The spirit of Biafra will keep fighting you until Biafra is restored, and you will have no peace. Look at the land of Biafra. Look at the land of Biafra very well. Look at every part in the land of Biafra. What do you see? If you do not see anything, I'm sorry for you. I'm sorry for you. I will not go far. I am still here to tell you that we go nowhere until Biafra come. Take this message to the enemies of Biafra and let them have heart attack and die tonight. Take take it to the good well-wisher of Biafra and let them strengthen themselves and comfort themselves. Take this to the saboteur of Biafra and let them start preparing themselves to hang themselves. To you, a good Biafrans, a Chukwu Gikabiama guide and protect you. May you prosper in all you're doing, now and forevermore. He say.
ndị be anyị daalụ nne nụ kunu si wee na-esoro anyị na Igbo Media bụ ihe anyị na-eme dị nnukwu mkpa. Ka ife were ikwu gbasịta maka ya bụ ife ndị a niile gasị n'elu akwụkwọ nwanne anyị nwoke kwuru, ka ife were ikwu gbasịta maka ya, ka alụ iwere tinye, ka ife were ikwu dropụla ya on the comment section below. Nke dịka ibe ya bụ cheta na ya bụ Igbo Media ka isi wee na-ewetakwara ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ihe na-eme n'obodo a. Maka o wee ka esiwekwazi okwu azụwazi ọ bụ gịnị na-eme, ife a na-eme ndị Igbo adịrọ mma, ife a na-eme ndị Igbo adịrọ mma. Ọnụ ọgwụ n'aka ahụ m n'ọnụ. Ama m na o nwere ndị akpọrọ asị nke bụ na cheki mmadụ one commit many things n'obodo alapụgo asarị dọkwa ụbọ ụnụ ma ife o mere. So ndị Ugbo the same thing Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na-azụ ka ọ na-azụ akwa nwanne ya lapụrụ ya, ka ajụ n'ụwa ya ajụ nke anyị aga dị iche. Ọgwụ n'aka ahụ m n'ọnụ. Dropụla ife were ikwu n'iru akwụkwọ ka anyị nụ ebumnobi gị. Daalụkwa, emesịa nụ.